girlfriends, welcome back to another video. Today we are using the Curlsmith Multitasking Conditioner as a deep conditioner. I used it as a leave-in in one of my previous videos, which you should go check out. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. We're gonna hop right into it. I literally just I just wet my hair again. I washed it maybe 2 days ago, but I've been letting it just kind of air dry without any product sometimes just to see what it looks like. Especially after using this protein line that we will be talking about today. I used the Bond Salve or Solve, whatever it is. Y'all know what I'm talking about. My holy grail. And I haven't really done anything since then. Why? I don't know. So here we are. She's a little dry, but let's get into the product. So today we're using the Multitasking Conditioner from Curlsmith. This is from the new strength recipe. I used it as a leave-in in my last video. I think it was my last video. I used their new styler and I used this as a leave-in from this line. It says 3-in-1 conditioner for damaged hair, leave-in, rinse out, or deep condition. So you can leave it in as a leave-in like I did in my last video. You can just use it as a regular conditioner, rinse it out, or deep condition. And I recommend to deep condition, of course, 100%. But even if you're using this as a rinse out, just let it sit in your hair for a little bit. You know, just put it in your hair, wash your body, and then wash it out. So I'm going to saturate my hair just a little more, kind of dried up. I'm not gonna detangle. We're gonna see the slip that she provides. Y'all, this line is my favorite from Curlsmith right now, and it smells amazing. Amazing. Actually, we'll do it as one section. So this is how she comes sealed. Y'all know how Curlsmith do with the packaging. So here she is. I don't know if you guys can really see that. It's like it has a nice consistency. It's thick, but it's not like stiff or anything. I couldn't use too much, but it's okay. So this smell, oh my gosh, I cannot describe the smell to you. Maybe like fruity, but I love the way it smells. My hair is pretty tangled, but it is melting through my curls. I would say it has some good slip. It definitely has some slip. My hair is also just really down bad. Oh my nail. There we go. Wow. Now I'm going to go through, and because like my hair is definitely still damaged, I would say. So even if your hair is not damaged and you're looking for some more definition, I like the curl trend when I deep condition. So I like to do about, give or take, maybe like 8 little twists like I'm doing right now. The smaller, the more definition. So I try to do about 8, and my trouble pieces are in the front, so I typically do those pretty small. But these ones back here seem to curl up just fine, so I typically just kind of, they might be a little chunkier than the rest. So overall right now, the smell, phenomenal. Slip is there. You guys can see that my hair was not, oh no, I'm grabbing pieces from the top. My hair was not letting me just glide through like this before, and now it is. Now my ends are bleached, so I really want to make sure I get in there, really work it in. You can definitely go behind and use a brush to make sure like your hair is fully saturated with product. I do that especially with my stylers, but because I finger detangle and I go in such small sections, I'm not going to use a brush or anything. And just like that. So I'm going to do this to the rest of my head, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm all done. I did like 1, 2, 3, and there's like a whole bunch on this side. So I did about 8, maybe 9. I like to do this exaggerated part now, just so that when I am styling my hair, I don't have a distinct part. My hair's not gonna lay like this exaggerated. So I like to do a deep side part so that I can choose a part, or if I don't wanna have a part, I don't have to. I'm not, you know, what's that word? I'm not committing to any part, and I like that. So I'm going to wet plop but not wet plop. We'll get to that in a second. Let's read what this is supposed to do. So it says, as a deep conditioner, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse to deeply nourish and replenish your strands. So I'm gonna leave it in for the 30 minutes and then wash it out. I'm going to be using my hot head today. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm gonna treat myself. You know, y'all, I'm in college, it's finals time, I'm stressing. So I'm gonna do myself a little spa treatment. I'm going to put this in the microwave for 45 seconds on each side, let this sit on my hair 30 minutes with my hot head, and I'll be back when it's washed out. Alrighty, so I literally just washed it out. So the washing out process was actually pretty nice, smooth. Now this is the telling part. This is how you know a deep conditioner. Wow. This is how you know a deep conditioner is good. Of course, you know, the curl training definitely helped, but the definition, wow. And I can definitely feel that my hair is moisturized. And of course, like, it's a protein deep conditioner. It's not really for moisture, but it is definitely moisturizing. And I do feel like my hair, it just feels strengthened. Like, when I look at it, I can tell. Once you learn your hair, you can really tell what it needs. And my hair, it needed some protein. It was just kind of brittle and weak, even in its wet state. I can really tell, especially with my ends. So looking at it now, yeah, they're even curling up real good. And this right here is a teller for me. If these front areas are curling like that, I love it. But I am gonna style my hair for you guys. I did forget to tell you, this is 8 fluid ounces and it is $27. I got mine at Ulta, and it is a 3-for-1. Not 3-for-1, but like, it's a 3-in-1. You know, so $27, baby, you get your conditioner, a deep conditioner, and a leave-in. Okay? But I love, love, love Curlsmith. If you want to see me use this as a styler, as a leave-in, I'll leave the little video thing here. But I'm going to style my hair, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. This is my hair fully styled. After styling it, I used Miche products, so I think that video should be out by now. If not, it's coming soon. But if it is, I'll link it right here. And yes, I definitely think that this definition has a lot to do with my deep conditioner, with my base. You know, your hair really starts with your base, so having a good base, very important. So overall, for the deep conditioner, I love it. You get 8 fluid ounces for $27, which is pretty much Curlsmith prices. It is kind of like a pretty penny, but you know, it's in the pockets of the beholder. But you get 3-in-1, you know? So, and I love this smell. I love Curlsmith products. Definitely one of my favorite brands for sure. But thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. Keep deep conditioning, and I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.